Hi guys, welcome to my channel Internet Journey. Smartphones are the main way most of us connect to the internet, and it means getting the fastest possible internet speeds on our mobile devices is more important than ever. But that doesn't always happen. There are lots of things that can slow your internet down. Let me say a few reasons why your internet is getting slow. Number 1. Poor router position. One of the main reasons your phone Wi-Fi is slow is that your router has been positioned in the wrong place. A Wi-Fi signal has a range of up to 230 feet. It can be blocked by large physical objects like walls, floors and doors. So if you are a distance from the router, like in the bedroom in your house or even outside, the speed you get may be a lot slower than your expectations. Try experimenting with different router positions to see if you can get better Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. If your speed doesn't improve when you get closer to the router, you may have other problems. You need to fix that. Number 2. Congested Wi-Fi. Another router issue that makes your phone internet slow is congestion. Routers broadcast their signals on a specified channel, but if your neighbors have their routers set to the same channel, it can become congested and degrade the performance for everyone. This can be a problem especially in apartment block where you have a lot of routers crammed into a relatively small area. Number 3. Wi-Fi noise. In your home, things like microwaves, wireless doorbells and cordless phones can interfere with the signal from a router running on a 2.4 GHz band. Most modern routers can work on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. If your router supports 5 GHz band, there is a less prone to interference. If you got a reasonably recent router that supports this, you can go into the router settings to make the change. If your router does not support with 5 GHz band, if you are sticking with 2.4 GHz, make sure that you don't have any other devices near your router that could cause interference. Number 4. You are connected to a slow network. At home, your speed will get hit when other apps and devices are using your bandwidth. Streaming movies, downloading video games, or installing operating system updates will all cause a slowdown in your general internet usage. Number 5. You are using a slow VPN. If you are wondering why your phone internet has become slow all of a sudden, it could be because of some changes in the phone itself. One reason could be the using of VPN, which gives you security and privacy online. But many of us don't know that the VPN can have significant effect on your internet speed. Free VPNs will offer terrible performance. If you are using one of the free VPN and getting slow internet speed, try disabling it temporarily to see if that improves the internet speed. Number 6. Poor 4G coverage. Slow internet on your phone isn't just about slow Wi-Fi. When you switch to mobile data, you'd expect a 4G connection to be as fast. There are so many things that can affect your phone signal. You will see it oftenly in crowded places, like at a sporting event or any concert, or where tens of thousands of people are trying to connect to the same cell tower at the same time. And there are other things too. Your distance from the nearest tower, whether you are indoors or outdoors, even the weather can have an effect. Some of these things can fall back to slower 3G connection, and some might leave you with no internet connection at all. Number 7. Your phone is slow. Finally, slow phone internet might just be a sign of a slow phone. Your Wi-Fi connection may be great and your mobile data coverage is perfect and you are on a fast network, but maybe your phone just can't keep up with what you're asking it to do. The resource requirements of apps and websites creep up all the time. So even when your actual internet speed is good, you might still perceive it to be slow. The phone's hardware might be taking its time rendering a website. For example, struggling to handle the graphics in an online game. You can see this on older phones and lower end Android phones especially. But even if you have got an up-to-date high-end device, your choice of apps can still have an impact. Too many apps downloading and syncing in the background can use too much of your available data. Older apps can make your phone slow generally. Make sure to keep your apps up to date. Uninstall those apps which you don't use and keep an eye on which are allowed to run in the background. If you think you got some good information from this video, please like this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more videos.